Chapter 6 Tutorial 2. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name c06tut2. Create a sketch. Select the XZ plane. Create a rectangle with from center. Select the origin. Enter the width as 105 and the height as 0.5 and 0. Reduce the height of the dimension. Select fillet tool. Enter the radius 20. Select all the four corners. Finish the sketch. By default, the section is selected. Enter extrude. Enter the end distance value 12 mm. Say OK. So this is our base feature. Now create the second feature in the front face. Select sketch. Include the ZX coordinate. Draw a circle. To diameter 44. Finish the sketch. Extrude up to 96 mm. Select the unite in the Boolean operation and say OK. Now we are going to create the third and fourth feature. Select the sketch. Select the front face of the second feature. And say project curve and include the outer profile of the second feature. Draw the sketch. Edit the dimension to 25. Edit this dimension to 30. Select make symmetry. Draw the vertical lines. Trim the unwanted curves. This completes the section for the third feature, finish sketch, reverse direction, and extrude up to 76 mm. Select unit in the boolean operation, say OK. Similarly, create the sketch for fourth feature. Similarly, project the curve of the circle. Take the dimensions. Now dimension. Trim the unwanted curve. Finish the sketch and extrude, reverse direction, extrude to a distance of 57 mm. Select unit in the boolean operation. Now we are going to create the hole in the second feature. Select the hole tool, select simple, custom, and enter the diameter 20. Select the center of the second feature and enter the distance as 96 and the tip angle 0. Say OK. Now we are going to create the rectangular cut extrude feature. Select the sketch, select this face, and draw the rectangle. So start dimensioning. Edit this dimension 25. Edit this dimension 8. Edit this dimension 16. Edit this dimension to 2 mm. finish the sketch and say extrude, reverse the direction, enter up to 50 depth, select the operation, subtract, say OK. Now we are going to create holes in the third and fourth feature. Select the hole tool, edit this dimension to 20, this dimension to 50, enter diameter 12, and select the depth limiters until selected and select the cylinder. Select subtract in the boolean operation and say OK. Similarly, create the second hole. Edit this dimension to 30, edit this dimension to 0, select the hole diameter 12 and select until selected, select the circle and say OK. Similarly, create the holes in the fourth feature. Edit this dimension 15, edit this dimension also 15, enter the hole diameter 10, enter the hole diameter 10, and say OK. Now create the fourth hole. edit this dimension 22, this dimension to 0. Similarly, hole diameter 10, and select the until selected option. Select the bottom face of the cut extrude and say OK. Now we are going to create the counterbore hole in the base feature. Select the hole tool, select the counterbore hole and enter the hole diameter. Enter 20 in the counterbore diameter and 2 in the counterbore depth and 10 in the hole diameter. To specify the point, select the edge and depth limit until selected. Select up to the back face. Similarly, select the other four corners. Orient view to trimetric. Hide all these sketches. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes chapter 6, tutorial 2.